Welcome back to My Crazy Quiz. Today we're diving deep into the world of doctors, from heart heroes to brain masters, from skin experts to space doctors. Let's see how many you can guess correctly. But before we begin, subscribe to My Crazy Quiz. So let's go. Which doctor keeps your heart beating strong? Cardiologist. Who takes care of kids when they catch a cold? Pediatrician. Who helps you get clear skin? If not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and join the My Crazy Quiz family. Dermatologist. Which doctor fixes broken bones? Orthopedic. Who helps bring new babies into the world? Obstetrician. Who checks your teeth and gums? Don't miss the fun, subscribe and become part of the My Crazy Quiz family. Dentist. Who helps you see the world clearly? Ophthalmologist. Who treats your ear, nose and throat? Otolaryngologist. Who helps you when your mind needs healing? Psychiatrist. Who treats brain and nerve issues? Neurologist. Who helps with kidney problems? Ready for endless quiz adventures? Subscribe to My Crazy Quiz. Nephrologist. Which doctor handles lungs and breathing? Pulmonologist. Who treats your stomach and digestion issues? Gastroenterologist. Who looks after women's health? Gynecologist. Which doctor treats cancer patients? Oncologist. Who handles X-rays and scans? Focus up. Every second counts in My Crazy Quiz. Radiologist. Who helps with hormone problems like diabetes? Endocrinologist. Who handles urinary and bladder issues? Urologist. Which doctor performs general surgeries? General surgeon. Who provides your first medical checkup for common illness? General physician. Easy level completed. You're off to a great start. Keep that brain charged. My Crazy Quiz is just getting started. Which doctor treats pain in your joints and arthritis? Rheumatologist. Excellent. Answer this one. Who studies your blood and treats blood disorders? Hematologist. Which doctor helps with allergies and immune issues? Focus up. Every second counts in MyCrazyQuiz. Allergist. Who specializes in the health of elderly people? Geriatrician. Who finds out what disease you have by checking your lab tests? Pathologist. Which doctor makes sure you don't feel pain during surgery? Anesthesiologist. Who helps repair your face or body after an accident? Plastic surgeon. Ready for a tougher one? Here it comes. Which doctor keeps athletes fit and injury-free? Sports medicine specialist. Who helps diagnose and treat workplace-related illnesses? Occupational medicine specialist. Which doctor takes care of the whole family's health? Think quick, answer quicker. This is MyCrazyQuiz. Family physician. Who treats problems of your feet and ankles? Podiatrist. Who examines your DNA to find inherited diseases? Medical geneticist. Who studies toxins and poisons that can harm the body? Toxicologist. Let's see the next one. Which doctor rushes to help during emergencies? Emergency medicine specialist. Who helps couples struggling to have babies? Reproductive endocrinologist. Which doctor cares for newborn babies? Neonatologist. Who performs surgery on the heart and lungs? Cardiothoracic surgeon. Who specializes in surgery of blood vessels? Vascular surgeon. Which surgeon helps people lose weight through surgery? Bariatric surgeon. Who studies and controls outbreaks of infectious diseases? Infectious disease specialist. Wow, medium level completed. Get ready for the hard level. Which doctor treats diseases of the liver? Hepatologist. Who studies how medicines work inside the body? Think quick, answer quicker. This is MyCrazyQuiz. Clinical pharmacologist. Who helps people with chronic pain problems? Pain management specialist. Who performs X-ray guided surgeries without cutting much? Interventional radiologist. Which doctor treats colon and rectum diseases? Colorectal surgeon. Who manages patients in the ICU and life support systems? Critical care specialist. Which surgeon focuses only on the hands and wrists? hand surgeon. Who helps people recover from speech and voice issues? Keep that brain charged. MyCrazyQuiz is just getting started. Speech-language pathologist. Which doctor focuses on diagnosing diseases through tissue study? Pathologist. Who helps people with hearing or balance issues? Audiologist. Who performs complex surgeries of the jaw and face? Maxillofacial surgeon. Who studies germs and bacteria to find infections? Clinical microbiologist. Which doctor helps patients recover movement after injury? Occupational therapist. Who specializes in sleep problems like insomnia? Sleep medicine specialist. Which doctor works with the law to study cause of death? Focus up. Every second counts in MyCrazyQuiz. Forensic pathologist. Who studies how diseases affect the brain structure through scans? Neuroradiologist. Who focuses on gum diseases and oral hygiene? Periodontist. Who designs dental prosthetics like crowns and bridges? Prosthodontist. Who studies skin diseases under the microscope? Dermatopathologist. Who helps patients recover from brain injury and mental trauma? Neuropsychiatrist. Excellent! Level up! Now it is the time to enter in impossible level. Who performs organ transplant surgeries like kidney or liver transplants? Transplant surgeon. Which specialist studies blood transfusions and compatibility? Immunohematologist. Who studies diseases at the cellular level? Cytopathologist. Who treats heart problems in children? Pediatric cardiologist. Which doctor treats childhood cancers? Pediatric oncologist. Who treats brain and nervous system issues in children? Pediatric neurologist. Which specialist studies and repairs tiny blood vessels using microscopes? Reconstructive microsurgeon. Who performs chest cavity and lung surgeries, excluding heart? Thoracic surgeon. Which doctor operates on life-threatening trauma injuries? Trauma surgeon. Who studies genetic diseases at the DNA level? Molecular genetic pathologist. Which specialist studies disease outbreaks and pandemics? Epidemiologist. Who uses extreme cold to destroy abnormal tissues? Cryosurgeon. Who studies genetic causes of brain disorders? Neurogeneticist. Which doctor manages astronaut health and surgery during space missions? Spaceflight surgeon. Awesome work, Quizmaster! How many doctor types did you guess right? Comment your score below. If you enjoyed this challenge, smash that like button and subscribe to My Crazy Quiz for more mind-twisting knowledge fun every day. Always remember, more crazier the quizzes, more sharper your mind gets. See you in the next quiz.